Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental aspect of our legal system, property law. Property law governs everything we own, from our homes to our personal possessions, and even intangible assets like intellectual property. Whether you're an aspiring lawyer, a homeowner, or just someone curious about the laws that shape our society, this video is for you. Let's break down what property law is, how it works, why it's important, and what career opportunities exist within this legal field. So, what exactly is property law? In simple terms, property law is the area of law that deals with the ownership and use of property. This includes real property, like land and buildings, as well as personal property, which can be anything from a car to a piece of jewelry. Property law defines the rights and responsibilities of individuals and entities in relation to property and outlines how property can be acquired, transferred, or leased. It's essentially the legal framework that dictates who owns what and how that ownership is protected or transferred. Now, let's talk about how property law works. At its core, property law is about the relationship between individuals and their property. It governs everything from the purchase of a home to the leasing of a commercial space. The law includes various rules and regulations that ensure transactions are fair and that rights are protected. For instance, when you buy a house, property law ensures that the title is clear and that the seller has the right to transfer ownership to you. It also governs zoning laws, which dictate how land can be used, and landlord-tenant laws, which protect both landlords and tenants in rental agreements. Why is property law so important? The answer lies in the fact that property is central to our lives. Our homes, our workplaces, and even the things we create or invest in are all forms of property. Property law provides the legal structure that allows us to own, transfer, and protect these assets. It's essential for maintaining order and fairness in society. Without property law, there would be chaos in how property is claimed or used, leading to disputes, uncertainty, and potential conflict. Property law ensures that ownership rights are respected and that any conflicts can be resolved through legal channels. Let's look at some examples of rights that are guaranteed by property law. One key right is the right to own and possess property. This means that you have the legal authority to control, use, and enjoy your property as you see fit. Another right is the right to transfer property, which allows you to sell, lease, or gift your property to others. There's also the right to exclude others from your property, which is crucial for maintaining privacy and security. Additionally, property law often guarantees the right to use property as collateral, which is common in securing loans and mortgages. Now, let's talk about job opportunities in property law. If you're considering a career in this field, there are several paths you can take. One common role is that of a real estate lawyer who handles transactions, disputes, and other legal matters related to property. The national average salary for real estate lawyers in the United States is around $96,000 per year. Another role is that of a title examiner who researches property records to ensure that titles are clear and free of any legal issues. They typically earn about $50,000 annually. There are also property managers who oversee the operation and maintenance of real estate properties, earning an average salary of $60,000 per year. What skills are required for success in property law? First and foremost, strong analytical skills are essential. You'll need to be able to assess complex legal issues and find solutions that comply with the law. Attention to detail is also critical, as property transactions often involve intricate legal documents that must be meticulously reviewed. Communication skills are equally important, whether you're negotiating a deal or explaining legal concepts to clients. Lastly, a solid understanding of real estate markets and business practices will give you an edge, especially if you're working in commercial property law. In conclusion, property law is a fascinating and vital area of law that affects almost every aspect of our lives. It provides the framework for how we own, use, and transfer property, ensuring that these processes are fair and legally sound. Whether you're interested in pursuing a career in this field or just want to understand more about the laws that govern your property rights, Knowledge of property law is incredibly valuable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. See you next time.